What I want to do is shave the neck part here, so we'll be right back. All right, so I'll shave down to number 1. While I have the clip trimmers out, I'm going to go ahead and get get my eyebrows, and I put a number 5 attachment on that for this. Alright, so again, while we have the trimmers out, I'm going to go ahead and take off the attachment, and I'm just going to cut out an outline. Where I'm going to shave, just like that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and shave this, and then we'll get to the mustache styling. Part 2, let's go ahead and get that shaved down there. I'm just going to use some of my edge gel here. Eventually, I think I'd like to go to a brush and shave soap. I think that would be kind of cool.